My fellow Ambazonians, I come for an front today now by the grace of God. I want to call on our people, they do businesses from Bamenda to Momo. Say the roads them they open and their security a big guarantee. May all man go for market, open their shop them, carry on with their businesses. No man no go touch una. We of the ADF never deny any person for no go sell for market or for no carry a daily activity. I will use the opportunity to address some issue within Ambazonia. My mommy and my papa them, they come from Nasian today we go inside Momo between the ADF and the TTE. Now because of some people they claim power where they not get them. Every Ambazonian get a universal right to fight for their freedom, as all we the fight today. And any man will deny a brother for not exercise a right, don't divert for the purpose of this revolution. The right to self-defense or the right to fight to liberate your country, it be embedded for the United Nations Charter, will guarantee political participation or organization. As long as Ambazonian never gain freedom, any Ambazonian Pekin get right to create a self-defense group inside any part, for inside any place inside Ambazonian. Any man will know what my brother fight for inside some place because he not belong to the IG, it will violate a brother, a right for fight for freedom. Our citizens get right over any group or any organization. And the Ambazonian Governing Council, the fight now for all man. Now why that we hold the international law strong. This law now the law will guarantee all man for fight for their freedom. Any man will call himself president, governor, general, must make sure say activities them he need to violate this international law. Anyone way he make himself available to fight must make sure say this law will be respected. The government will only be created through a democratic election where campaign go day, where our people go associate with these people, then they choose the person where will be their leader. Any man where they claim a government must do so. They respect the right for other people. We need to debate with any man where they claim say the government. They exist. But may the government make sure say the right for other people then will be respected. The ADF be set up as a national force, which means the foundation of a future national army. The army they gain a right and a power for a constitution. Although today we they act as an army, we acknowledge the fact say until independence go come before the people go give any group the power to absorb into this national army. Me no man no fight to make himself a general or to control a village alone. But me all man following the spirit of international law accept their brothers. Because as we sit there for war, we don't know who will die and who will survive. But we need to be assured so our independence will be settled. It no matter the name where some person, some group of people they choose to call themselves. As long as they respect the right of other people. But anyone and any group of person where they stop the others for exercising the right to fight for their freedom, don't cross boundary. It becomes a problem. That is why we see the struggle the world you see inside Fako, Bui, Momo, and all over Ambazonia soil. But the ADF did one focus. to collaborate with any person we want to fight for this revolution. I just send a clear message to Commando for public so that me all Ambazonian people there may they understand. Until the day Commando go reverse those statements them, we make them declare wipe all the ADF, declaring war on the ADF. The problem between the TTA and the ADF will not ever be resolved. As you tell you, me remain for Numbe with everyone where they take orders from him. Any soldier where they come up for Numbe must denounce that statement of war with the ADF and make clear for the ADF say it not be a threat. Fellow Ambalanders, more are not asked from the ADF, which we are not offer. How the ADF go fold their arms, seal their mouth, be quiet, where a war will be declared on them. And they attack them. People they be killed when they suspect, say that they will collaborate with ADF. That one is the reason why I give Commando an ultimatum. Say all soldiers of the TTA may they withdraw into Numbe, and they invite all sons of daughter of Guzang, Besi, and Momo as a whole to come back home. And they promise them say life will return back to normal under the control of the ADF. Except for La République Agency. Except for La République Agency, the market will be open. That idea say now only one group will control a certain territory for inside Ambazonia. Now a lie where it come from the devil himself. We will fight as one, irrespective of the group where you belong to. And that idea for the denials of other unism for not exist, for not operate for some areas, it no ever work in Ambazonia. The ADF they open their arms very wide, and they welcome any fighter for any unit for inside any part of Ambazonia, as long as they make their intention known, they not be a threat. I will call our mommy them, our papa them, may their prayer for we me no cease. And may God keep and protect all we till when we go reach Boya. Ataguna very much.